Somewhere in the darkness of the cosmos, a dying giant is waiting for its final breath. A star, hundreds of times larger than our sun, has burned for millions of years, but every fire must fade. And when it does, the universe will witness an explosion so bright, so powerful, that it will outshine an entire galaxy. On that day, Earth will look up and see a second sun blazing in the sky, a light born not from creation, but from destruction. This is the story of the day Earth will see a supernova, the day we will watch a star die and remember how all life began. Hello everyone, welcome to the Space Sea. If you love exploring space, science, and the secrets of our cosmos, hit subscribe and join the journey. Let's get started. 1. What is a supernova? A supernova is the most powerful explosion known in the universe, the violent death of a massive star. When a star many times larger than our sun runs out of nuclear fuel, it collapses under its own gravity. This collapse triggers a massive blast that can outshine an entire galaxy for weeks or even months. There are two main types. Type 2, core collapse supernova, happens when a giant star, 8 to 50 times the sun's mass, runs out of fuel and its core collapses. Type 1a occurs when a white dwarf star steals matter from a companion until it explodes in a thermonuclear blast. 2. How bright is a supernova? At its peak, a single supernova can be as bright as 10 billion suns. From Earth, if it's close enough, within a few hundred light years, it could be visible even in broad daylight brighter than the moon. Ancient Chinese astronomers recorded such events in 1054 AD. That explosion created the Crab Nebula, which is still visible through telescopes today. 3. Will Earth ever see one up close? Yes, it's inevitable that we will see one again, though probably not close enough to harm us. Astronomers are watching several nearby candidates right now. Betelgeuse, Alpha Orionis, a red supergiant about 642 light-years away. It's nearing the end of its life and could go supernova any time in the next 100,000 years or tomorrow. When it explodes, it will shine as bright as a full moon for weeks. Visible even during the day, it won't harm Earth. It's too far for radiation or shock waves to reach us. Eta Carina, about 7,500 light-years away. This star is one of the most unstable known. It's already shown pre-supernova activity, massive eruptions in the 19th century. When it explodes, it might become the brightest object ever seen by human eyes after the sun. 4. What happens during the explosion? When the star's fuel is gone, gravity wins. The core collapses in milliseconds, crushing atoms so violently that protons and electrons merge into neutrons, forming a neutron star, or, if massive enough, a black hole. The outer layers rebound and are blasted into space at thousands of kilometers per second, spreading elements like iron, gold, oxygen, and carbon, the very elements that make us. That's right, you are literally made of stardust. Every atom in your body once came from ancient supernovas billions of years ago. 5. The view from Earth. If Betelgeuse exploded tonight, within hours, observatories would detect an intense neutrino burst, the first sign of the explosion. Then the light would arrive first, ultraviolet, then visible light, growing brighter each night. For weeks you could see it shining beside Orion's belt, a new second moon in the night sky. As the weeks pass, it would fade and leave behind a beautiful nebula, slowly expanding through space for millennia. 6. Could it harm Earth? Only if a supernova exploded within about 50 light-years, which is extremely unlikely. The closest dangerous star we know is over hundreds of light-years away, so Earth is safe. However, if one did happen closer, the gamma radiation could damage Earth's ozone layer, leading to climate effects and mass extinctions. Fortunately, no such nearby stars are in the danger zone today. 7. Why it matters for humanity. Supernovas are the universe's recycling engines. They scatter heavy elements into space, which later form new stars, planets, and life. Without supernovas, there would be no Earth, no oceans, no humans. So when Earth sees its next one, we'll be watching the same kind of explosion that made our existence possible. It's not just a cosmic show. It's a reminder of our origins and our connection to the universe. 8. Emotional and philosophical meaning. When Earth sees a supernova again, it will be more than light in the sky. It will be a message from the stars. Everything that lives must die, but from that death, new worlds are born. It will remind humanity that endings are not destruction, they are beginnings in disguise. The death of a star is the birth of possibility. When that light finally reaches us after traveling for hundreds of years across the void, it will be more than just a cosmic spectacle. It will be a message from the stars, a reminder that everything in existence is part of a single, eternal cycle. The same fire that destroys a star once forged the atoms in your blood, your bones, your heartbeat. You are the echo of ancient stars. So when the day comes and Earth sees that brilliant light in the sky, don't look away, because in that moment, we will not be watching a star die. We will be witnessing the universe remembering itself. And maybe then we'll finally understand that from every end comes a new beginning.